Since you're here, I definitely do a 360. How does that sound? Or what were you thinking? Yeah. Yeah, I help you load it, or I could dolly it across the street for you if you want. Yeah. I grab a dolly. Yeah, go ahead. All right, so gotta get you a punch real quick. Cool. Yeah. And 330 right there, right? Cool. Awesome. Thank you. All right. So I'll just bring it to you. Yeah, me throw it. Yeah, take your time. Okay, cool. Let me just get there real quick. Okay, yep, yeah, you're backing over? Awesome. I'll be even better.